First open your Python application. And click on File. And click on New File. And click Save. And save it in a path. With the extension py.py. First we are going to get the normal input from the user. Then this is your output. Then we are going to ask the question to the user. For example, enter your name. To the user. Then your output will be enter your name, then your input. Next, we are going to see how to save the input text into a cursor and print the text. A is a cursor. A is equal to input. A is a cursor. The text will be saved in A. Then we can print A. Then your output is this. Your name will be printed. Add down. Next we are going to see how to run in command prompt. First, change your directory in the path where you kept. For that command is cd, change directory. Then your path. Then list of the files. Then enter the file name with the extension and run. This is your output. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.